If you have children, make sure to tell them not to become an entrepreneur. Go and get a desk job immediately.
Feeling that today. We are back at Westward Tudor, and we are going to talk through final selections for the basement remodel. It's a family room and a laundry room and a long hallway, a little bit of a mud room situation.
We like to call it lower level because it's an extension of the home.
As you can see, the room used to be not very usable. It had a giant HVAC in the middle of the room. It had a laundry area that was kind of dirty and gross, and then a very cold and sterile gym space. And now it's going to be a cozy family room with a big TV and sofa and a functional laundry room with a sink and countertops and cabinetry and all the things. So we're going to take you through the selections, and we're going to give you a sneak peek as to how the project's coming along. Let's go.
Is this to code? Oh, wow. When you walk in here, is this the laundry room?
This is the hallway.
Okay, this is the hallway. What's that? That's the laundry room?
Yes.
Okay, we've got washer, dryer.
Door there.
This is a pocket door.
Yep. And then the washer and dryer are straight ahead.
Right here.
Cabinet above it, which will have hidden storage. Sink here.
Yep.
Laundry chute in the corner will drop into a cabinet. Open in the center, full length cabinetry here, and then a counter.
Storage.
Baskets below and hanging storage.
Oh, check out these inspiration images. I think we've shared these before. Cabinetry, some fun tile. We can't do anything isolated. So what color are the cabinetries?
The cabinetry in the laundry room.
Yeah.
I was thinking you go with the lightest colors. Something like this that will play off of it.
Yeah. Just to keep it light and bright in there. Yeah.
Yeah. And so those will go, you know, with the palette there, just keep it simple and classic. And then I thought I could bring in some blues with art.
Amazing.
Walking down the hallway into the family room, there's going to be a sconce here, like an entry moment when you come into the space.
Okay.
Give you a little bit of glow. There's no windows in here. So we're going to go dark and moody, and then we're going to have moody lighting. So we'll have a media cabinet built in down here, the TV on the wall here. And then we're working on the sofa that's going to go here. And then I want to know what you think about my plan, Teal. At the end of the sofa, a section between where the cabinetry and the bookcase will be and where the media family room will be for 3 wall sconces. I know you like a steppable sconce right above the side table.
So that's really cool because it avoids having to put a floor lamp that gets knocked over. Mm-hmm. It allows light in the corner that you can turn off during movie time. Mm-hmm. And it's a little like art expression. That's
exactly. Cool. Yeah. And then this section here will be all wood wrapped around, and the ceiling will be wood as well. And then we're either going to do a hanging hammock like we used to have in our old house, a cozy chair or 2 cozy chairs, or we might just start with the Peloton. So I really want the family room to be moody and dark. So this is one of the sofa fabrics that we've fallen in love with. This is the carpet.
Gorgeous.
Sofa.
Love it.
And then I was looking at, you know, okay, what colors could we do that are kind of moody and dark?
Are you doing are you talking wall and ceiling or just wall? Like you could do wall and ceiling.
2 different colors?
You could. This one's got a lot of olive in it. I'd probably axe that one. I love this blushy situation. Guys, something super important. If your husband is doing this or if you have a helper, this is what we call backing. It is wood in the wall to allow for future heavy things to get mounted to. So instead of just mounting to free drywall, we're mounting to wood that is in place. Why is that here? Because we're going to be mounting a TV on the wall. So any place that we might have a wall-mounted countertop or a wall-mounted bookcase that's floating, you want backing.
The other cool thing is because the box is larger than the plug, you have the ability to move the TV more this way or that way.
Yeah.
So we can see how we want to center it above the media console.
Is this a cased opening or is it going to be a door or just cased opening?
Cased opening.
So this is carpet. This is what? Carpet or tile? So carpet, tile.
Yep. And then when you turn into there, that will be carpet tiles.
Because it's a little bit more durable and it's an indoor-outdoor space.
Yeah. But the carpet tiles, I'm leaning towards this one and this one. So these 2 together because they have some brown flecks.
Yeah.
These 2. So then you can really go with anything. And I was going to do
That's kind of
Checker.
cool too.
Checker pattern.
And then what's here? Existing wood stairs are staying.
I think so.
Yeah, good. You can do a runner down the road.
And then I was thinking the stairwell would be in between these two.
Really good colors.
So hallway, laundry, same.
I wonder if you would just extend that up.
In the stairwell.
Yeah, like why?
The reason I want to go something a little bit darker is it's a narrow stairwell.
Yeah.
And they get so banged up.
Yeah.
But I was thinking the darker,
Yeah.
just a little bit darker may not be the worst thing.
Anyways, we've got a hubby that's given us some trubby.
So what opinions?
So why don't you tell us what's happening?
What we have, this is the countertop that we've selected. We wanted something easy to clean and cost effective and just had a little bit of color coming through in the stone. And then this is the carpet that's going in the hallway.
So this is the tile we selected for the laundry room floor that is a honed Calcutta type penny round that's around $45 a square foot. Hubby says a no bueno. We have a remodel going on. Let's try to find something half the price, $12 to $22 a square foot. That's what we're gonna do now. Let's take a look. A couple things to keep in mind is you do want something that's durable, that if you drop something on it, it won't chip. We want porcelain on the floor, not ceramic. We want something that is not gonna chip and not $45 a square foot. So terracotta is having a comeback. There's terracotta that's actual terracotta, or there is porcelain knockoff terracotta. It's kind of a vibe. Terrazzo is expensive, but porcelain terrazzo can be fun. The carpet in the adjacent space looks good with both of these. As you can see here, this black and white, it gets kind of too cool. And over here, it takes us to a gray story, but it's not hideous. In the green, we can bang out of here with a sample and cross our fingers that hubby likes it. Let's go take a look at a few more options. No. Don't tell your husband, but these are super cheap and adorable. These are 2-inch oversized penny rounds from Bedrosian. And if you ask me, those are adorable. Hubby is gonna be super happy with the price point of these bad dogs. So we're gonna take these home. Again, if you wanted to have fun, you could do something green, something graphite, or, black. But I think the timeless selection here would be something light and airy. If I see another hex, I'm gonna poke my eyes out. It doesn't really go with this. That actually goes better. Do not tell me that you cannot design with tile for $7.99 a square foot.
We hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes tour of Westward Tudor, what's going on. We're so excited to show you what the after looks like once we finish.
It's always hard to get through the before, but the after is worth it.
Thanks so much.
It always feels like poltergeist when you're coming in spaces like this.